6, Milwaukee County leaders are questioning the new district attorney today about what's called the Brady list.
What was once a mystery list of problematic cops is now a public record after TMJ4 threatened to sue the DA's office. We are now just weeks away from publishing it.
And I do feel it is very important for open records such as this to be available to the community.
Lighthouse reporter Ben Jordan learned new information at a county board meeting about what went into the DA's decision to hand this list over.
Over the last several months, we've teamed up with the Milwaukee Journal Sentinel and Wisconsin Watch to find out exactly what each officer did to wind up on the Brady list, to provide that important context when we post it online. Some county supervisors tell me they didn't know what a Brady list was prior to seeing our previous reporting. They wanted to hear firsthand from the district attorney about why it's kept and what the full list will show. These are just some of the faces of officers across Milwaukee County whose past conduct on or off the job put their credibility in question. Officers' names the DA's office didn't want you to know until just a few months ago.
People can open record this list.
Correct. Do have a decent sized agenda today.
At a Milwaukee County Supervisors Committee meeting today,
Officer Status Database.
the new Milwaukee County District Attorney, Kent Lovern, revealed why the full list suddenly became subject to open records requests.
There was a request for this list repeatedly in the last year, and we ultimately sought the advice from the State Open Records Office, who advised that we release the list.
Supervisors asked DA Lovern all sorts of questions.
How do you feel about that?
About why his office maintains the list, the process of putting an officer on it, and whether any names could be missing.
Are we sure that this list has all the names on it that should be on it?
We believe it's a complete list. It's my belief that the law enforcement agencies take this obligation very seriously because if we fail to turn it over, we have to revisit all the cases in which that officer was potentially a witness.
Brady lists exist because of a landmark U.S. Supreme Court case from 60 years ago. In criminal cases, it requires prosecutors to disclose if officers who are called to testify have a history of past crimes, dishonesty, bias, or other integrity concerns. That information can't be kept secret from the defense and the court. Milwaukee County's list contains about 200 current and former officers. A majority are from the Milwaukee Police Department.
If you're an officer of the law, if you're a correctional officer, there is a matter of public trust involved.
County Supervisor Justin Belinsky says it's something people who live in Milwaukee County deserve to know.
What is your hope for our investigation?
Well, I would hope that those officers who have had severe violations of public trust would perhaps consider another line of work. I think that additional layer of scrutiny might make people in the future think twice before acting in a manner that would maybe violate public trust.
Reporting at the Milwaukee County Courthouse, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
And as Ben mentioned, TMJ4's Lighthouse team has been reporting on Milwaukee County's Brady list for months. You can see more of their reporting by scanning this QR code that you see on your screen, or you can go to tmj4.com/lighthouse.